Big up to everyone. This is Awini Unity platform. So if today is your first time, do not forget to give us thumbs up. The breaking news. The breaking news is that Anyake brothers are fully now sit down with the family and conclude everything, and take that from us, Awini Unity platform. Sometimes when we came here, we do not just came here to sit down to feed people with the false news. We are about that. So trust me, um, Anyaki Williams are full 100% ready, not just for the World Cup, but are ready to take place for the African Cup of Nations. And I want to assure you, if you don't see Anyaki brothers at Ghana Black Stars, come back here and question us at Winnie Unity platform. We have full details, and sometimes when we are talking, we know what we are talking about. So it is a breaking news. You can only get that from here on a Winnie Unity platform. You know, a lot of people was like, when I make a last video was talking about some of us have a chance to close to Anyake brothers. Some people take it personally, some people take it different way, saying that we are just trying to say something for name or something like that. Some of us sitting down here, we are not just here for making videos, but we are so passionate about our country. No matter what, here is a place that we some of us survive. This country is a place that some of us survive in this country, Spain. So despite for us surviving here, that do not mean that we should turn back against our country. Some of us sitting down here, we are so passionate about Ghana. We are so passionate about our country to see improvement. So sometimes when we come here to make videos or to talk about some certain things, not just only about the views. Yes, I'm not here to lie to you that, well, I'm not here simply not just about views. Yes, I am here about views. I'm not going to lie to you. No. But that shouldn't mean that because I'm here for views, I should feed people with false news. I always say, sorry to say, the people that are watching our videos day and night, they are not stupid. Sorry to say, they are not stupid. They know what is this, the good and the bad, and they know when you are trying to give them a false news. They know. So even some of them that don't know, when they get to the point and they realize that no, um, you are not the person that you claim to be, you are, they will feel very disappointed and you won't get these people on your platform again. So I don't see the reason why I have to waste my time to come here, sit down, to feed people in the false news. So guys, that's the breaking news. The breaking news is Anyake brothers. These have not the final conclusion that now that a lot of people have maybe no. This have something that they planned for a long time and Ghana didn't even qualify from the World Cup. If you follow my platform for a while now, you remember I came out talking about them that if Ghana qualify for the World Cup, we will see Anyake brothers on the World Cup. And a lot of people were saying, well, I'm just doing this for that. And they will be waiting to see if they truly pray for Ghana, they will come back here. If you haven't watched that video, go back and check that video here when I talk about Anyake brothers. And I was saying that um, some of us having chance to close to Anyake brothers. And a lot of people were saying that, well, you are just saying it and all that. Sometime, for me being here, I have a chance. The advantage I have by the grace of God, the advantage that I have than maybe some of my brothers that are bloggers in Ghana. For me living here, that is, I don't need visa to go France. If the next day I want to go France, the only thing I need just to buy my flight ticket. I'm going France. I don't need any visa to go France. I don't need any visa by the grace of God to go Germany. I don't need any visa to go any European country. I can just wake up and go any European country that I want if only I have the money to buy my ticket. That is the advantage that I have. Not just talking about going to Bilbao. It is like for you being in Ghana and you are in Accra and you want to go to Kumasi. So that is why I was talking about the kind of advantage that I have for some certain things. So guys, sometimes um, A lot of people always come here and comment and say, well, you are this, you are that. Keep coming. All it is part about the business. It is part about your comment. It's part about what we are doing here. So give your comment all the time. We will try our best possible to reply you if we can. So this is the breaking news, guys. Take it that from Awini Unity platform that it is now absolutely confirmed that Anyaki brothers um, are absolutely ready, not just about the World Cup, but um, the African Cup of Nations qualifiers. And the only thing I always say, the only thing you cannot get the truth, if you lack of patience, you won't get the truth here. But if you are someone that you have patience, you will get to understand and know what we are talking about. So guys, that is the latest news coming from Anyake Brothers. And it's not just only today. This decision take with the family for very fucking long time, you know. So that is how it is. So it is not doubt, it is not about the fake news. No. If I come here to sit down and say something, take that from us, a winning unity platform, to break down to you guys. So what do you think? Do you think that it is a great news? It is an improvement for Ghana? Do you think or any coach will come and say, well, we don't need this guy? I don't think that any coach will come and say, well, we don't need Anyake Brothers. Because personally, when we have a big problem on our front line and we know what Anyake Brothers can do. So uh, here is the place that you have to always get the breaking news, and we are not here to sit down and give you the false news. No, like I always say, we are passionate about our country and we want our country to do well. So we won't just come here to sit down and give people for false news simply because of what we want. No, yes, we want views, but that shouldn't mean that the views that we want should feed people false news. So that is the breaking news that coming from Awini Unity platform, and you can take that once again from Awini Unity platform.